In this video, we'll show you how to properly install the client shell launcher on your gaming computers. Remember, the launcher is installed only on gaming PCs. You do not have to install it on the admin computer. If you have a disk-based system, install the launcher on each gaming PC. If you have a diskless system, just install the launcher on one gaming computer under the superuser account and be sure to save the changes. Download the launcher directly from your admin panel. On the gaming PC, open the SENET admin panel, go to the Map section, switch to Configuration mode, choose Settings, and click Download eLauncher Installer. Run the launcher installer as administrator and enter your installation key. You can find the key under the installer link in your admin panel. Wait while all the needed components are downloaded, and once installation is finished, make sure to restart the computer. After installing and restarting, this gaming PC will automatically show up on the Map tab in your admin panel. After the client shell loads, you'll see the login menu screen. Congratulations, your gaming computers are set up and ready to work. In our next video, we'll show how SENET makes it easy to manage all the computers in your esports center. Need help? Our expert support team is here for you 24/7. You can easily reach out through the live chat in your admin panel or via Telegram or Discord channels. SENET. Manage your esports center with ease, provide greater gaming and educational experiences, and grow your business.